how to change Spotify location. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with step-by-step tutorial that we can follow and we should be able to change our location on Spotify. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. What we can do is we can open up a browser and we can just go and search for Spotify. And make sure that you're using the browser, not the application. We only have that option available in the Spotify browser. So go ahead and log in into the Spotify via a website and just go over and look out for the profile option in the top right corner. Once selected, we can select the option for profile and that will open up a profile page here. We can just go and look out for our profile here. Otherwise, click on our profile in the top right and select the option of account. Once selected account here, we'll be finding different options. All we gotta do is look out for the option called edit profile or something like that. So go ahead and find edit personal info section. And once selected, we can scroll down and find a section for country or region. So once we find country and region option, we can drop down and go ahead and select other regions available. Once it is done, you can just go and click on this option called Save Profile, and that way you should be able to do it. And the key consideration is you must have a payment method to be issued into a new country. You need to add payment method. You need to be a premium user for that, and only you will be able to change it. This only happens if you're already on premium plan, if the option is grayed out here. And you might need to cancel and resubscribe to change the reason or ensure that you are physically in the new location, as the option only updates when you're actually there. That's it everybody. This is how you should be able to change your country or region on Spotify. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.